Do you want to know how you can log into your Night Cafe AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Night Cafe Creator AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for Night Cafe AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Night Cafe Creator, where you can see you can log in using your Google, your Facebook or your email address. So we can choose whichever one is easy for you. If you just want to log in with Google, go ahead and click continue with Google. It will take you to this page. Go ahead and choose your email address. Go ahead and click confirm to sign in to your nightcafe.studio. So in a while you can see this page. Go ahead and read the terms, press continue, and you can see some of the very most beautiful arts over here. You can also create your art by going on create, and you can create an art in nightcafe.ai. Now let me show you how you can log in using your email address, guys. You can click on login with email, then this page will pop up. Go ahead and write down your email address and your password associated with your Nightcafe Creator.ai account, and then click login. This way you can easily log into your Nightcafe.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.